step into the 2007 Mazda MAZ-DA6. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear head airbag, power steering, CD player, automatic headlights, intermittent wipers, 2 and number 46, 4-wheel disc brakes, 3LDOH CMPFI 16-valve i4 engine with variable valve timing, VVT, and power mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.